Hello and welcome to How to Play Your First Song on a Guitar in Under 2 Minutes. It's not much time, so let's get started by turning on our amp, taking our power plug, and plugging it in, boom, to the bottom of the guitar. Throw the strap over your right shoulder like that, and then turn on the Snark tuner. And you'll see the first string is out of tune, so I'm going to follow that one up to the tuning post. And it should say the note E, so I'm going to slowly turn until I get the note E. And there we go. Now we have 6 strings on the guitar, from high E, B, G, D, low A, and low E. And Hot Cross Buns is only going to use 4 fingers on the first string, like this. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the beginning of it starts on the first string with 4 for 2 beats, 2 for 2 beats, 0, 2, 3, 4. And then it does it again. So put down 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 2, 0, 2, 3, 4. And we have a little bit of time left, so let's do line 2, which starts like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then 4, 2, 0, 2, 3, 4. For more of the easiest way to learn how to start playing songs on guitar, visit me at exactnotes.com.